All right, so here we are. We've got our brake free soaked in. We scrubbed everything up, all of our individual pieces. So now what we're going to do is we're going to wipe everything down. Now instead of me using my little patches here on this long 28-inch barrel, I'm actually going to use this little brown towel that I like to use for these big wipe jobs and these big cleanup jobs. And so I'm just going to take the barrel and I'm going to wrap the towel around it and I'm just going to work it down the barrel. Now remember, with our Teflon coating, this doesn't need to stay real greasy. You know, we want to wipe this stuff off. And we're just going to work our way around. Make sure we get inside of our lug, our tube hold. We spin this around real quick and work on down. Now what I'm going to do real quick is I'm just going to, now that I have that wiped down, I'm just going to hold it, and I'm actually just going to take one hand here, and I'm going to kind of go over it and make sure I don't hit any real oily spots. I'm especially going to pay mindful attention around my vent rib here. I'm not feeling anything. That big towel does a pretty good and pretty quick cleanup job. Not feeling anything on top here. Not feeling anything back here in the back. I can see a little bit there. So I'm going to take it and I'm just going to take my towel and get the rest of that wipe there. Alright, so that's looking pretty good. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to move on to our forearm and our cap. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to wipe it down pretty good.